blue whale. I am the largest animal to ever live on Earth. African elephant. I am the largest and heaviest land animal. Whale shark. I am the largest fish in the big blue ocean. Colossal squid. I am the largest animal with no backbone. Giraffe. I am the tallest animal with a very long neck. Ostrich. I am the largest and heaviest bird in the world. Saltwater crocodile. I am the largest and strongest reptile. Green anaconda. I am the heaviest and thickest snake. Leatherback sea turtle. I am the largest turtle in the ocean. Japanese spider crab. I am the largest crab with very long legs. Polar bear. Polar bear. I am the largest land predator in the world. Siberian tiger. I am the largest of all the big cats. Hippopotamus. I am one of the heaviest river animals. White rhinoceros. I am a giant animal with a very thick skin. Giant squid. I have the largest eyes of any animal on Earth. Elephant seal. I am the largest seal in the cold water. Wandering albatross. I have the largest wingspan of any bird. Capybara. I am the largest rodent in the whole world. Giant salamander. I am the largest amphibian in the world. Komodo dragon. I am the largest and heaviest lizard. Humpback whale. I am a giant whale that loves to sing songs. Fin whale. I am the second largest animal in the ocean. Sperm whale. I am the largest whale with very big teeth. Basking shark. I am a very large shark that eats tiny bugs. Great white shark. I am the largest predatory shark in the sea. Manta ray. I am the largest ray and I fly through the water. Moose. I am the largest and tallest deer in the forest. Bison. I am the largest land animal in North America. Grizzly bear. I am a very large and powerful brown bear. Asian elephant. I am a giant friend with smaller ears. African buffalo. I am a very large and strong wild ox. Gaur. I am the largest species of wild cattle in the world. Walrus. I am a large ocean animal with 2 long tusks. Manatee. I am a large and gentle giant of the river. Beluga whale. I am a large white whale that loves to whistle. Narwhal. I am a large whale with a horn like a unicorn. Lion. I am the largest cat in the African savanna. Jaguar. I am the largest cat in the green rainforest. Black bear. I am a large bear that is a great climber. Giant panda. I am a large black and white bear of the mountains. Anaconda. I am a giant snake that lives in the swamp. Python. I am one of the longest snakes in the world. King cobra. I am the longest venomous snake on earth. Aldabra tortoise. I am a giant tortoise that lives a long life. Galapagos tortoise. I am the largest tortoise in the world. American alligator. I am a large reptile that lives in the swamp. Gharial. I am a large crocodile with a very thin nose. Cayman. I am a large and strong jungle crocodile. Emu. Emu. I am the second largest bird in the world. Emperor penguin. I am the largest and heaviest of all penguins. Great bustard. I am one of the heaviest birds that can fly. Andean condor. I am the largest flying bird in the mountains. Dalmatian pelican. I am the largest species of pelican. Mute swan. I am one of the largest and heaviest water birds. Giant river otter. I am the largest otter in the whole world. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. I am the largest hopping animal in the world. Gorilla. Gorilla. I am the largest and strongest of all primates. Orangutan. I am the largest animal that lives in the trees. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. I am a large and very smart ape friend. Oarfish. Oarfish. I am the longest bony fish in the deep sea. Sunfish. Sunfish. I am the heaviest bony fish in the ocean. Swordfish. I am a large fish with a nose like a sword. Marlin. Marlin. I am one of the largest and fastest fish in the sea. Sturgeon. Sturgeon. I am a very large and ancient fish of the river. Giant clam. I am the largest shell animal in the ocean. King crab. I am one of the largest and heaviest crabs. Coconut crab. I am the largest land-living crab in the world. Lobster. Lobster. I am a large animal with 2 very strong claws. Goliath beetle. I am one of the largest and heaviest insects. Atlas moth. I am one of the largest moths in the world. Tarantula. Tarantula. I am the largest and hairiest spider on earth. Giant centipede. I am the largest centipede in the world. Lion's mane jellyfish. I am the largest jellyfish in the sea. Leatherback turtle. I travel very far in the big ocean. Great gray owl. I am the largest owl by length in the forest. Eurasian eagle owl. I am one of the largest and strongest owls. Harpy eagle. I am one of the largest and most powerful eagles. Philippine eagle. I am a giant eagle that lives in the jungle. Steller's sea eagle. I am one of the heaviest eagles in the world. Marabou stork. I am a very large bird with a huge wingspan. Shoebill stork. I am a large bird with a beak like a shoe. Cassowary. I am a large bird with very sharp claws. Wild boar. I am a large wild pig with strong tusks. Aardvark. I am a large animal that digs for tiny bugs. Anteater. I am a large animal with a very long tongue. Sloth. Sloth. I am a large animal that moves very slowly. Armadillo. I am a large animal with a very hard shell. Pangolin. Pangolin. I am a large animal covered in hard scales. Hyena. Hyena. I am a large and powerful hunter of the night. Wolverine. I am the largest member of the weasel family. Badger. Badger. I am a large and very brave digging animal. Beaver. Beaver. I am the largest rodent in North America. Musk ox. I am a large animal with very thick and long fur. Takim. Takim. I am a large and heavy animal of the mountains. Okapi. I am a large animal related to the tall giraffe. Zebra. Zebra. I am a large wild horse with beautiful stripes. Donkey. I am a large and hard-working farm animal. Mule. Mule. I am a large animal that is very strong and smart. Camel. I am a large animal that lives in the hot desert. Dromedary. I am a large camel with only one hump.